Let me show you how finding purchase pre-approval deals in your database is easy when you use artificial intelligence. After you get done uploading your database, all you have to really do is use some of our advanced search filters on the map with Likely.ai. So if you're looking for purchase pre-approvals, the first thing I would want to do is make sure that it's owner occupied. So I know I'm going to be talking with the owner. Then I'd also want to make sure that it has a low probability of being COVID distressed. So basically, these people would be more likely to qualify to purchase another home, right? Now, once you have those two filters in, you can also do price point and beds and baths if that matters to you. But let's just say that, this is all we're looking for. So now we're down to about 1,200 properties out of, I think it was 2,600. Next, you'd come down below, and you can see likely seller scores on the first side over here. So anything above 50% is what we would recommend targeting. So when we scroll on down through all of our prospects, looks like, okay, so the first 100, so it's probably about 100 and, maybe like 160 of these properties or contacts in their database would be, great prospects. Now what you do, and I'm not going to do it on this short video, is you'd go through and then select all of these. And you can do it all of them at once, but I'm just going to do a couple for this idea. And then what you can do is you can see them on the map, but you can also then export just those contacts that are in properties that are owner occupied with a low COVID distress score and a high likely seller score. So they're probably more likely to be qualified and they are looking to move. These are the people in your database I would say go out and make a purchase pre-approval offer to if I was a mortgage originator. Now that you have that on your database, if you want to give this a try with your database, all you have to do is go to app.likely.ai, app.likely.ai, and drag and drop your contact database. We need address, city, state, and zip for the property that we're going to analyze for you. We also recommend first and last name if you have them, along with a phone number and email, because we can do skip trace and other things for you if you want us to. But in order to do the functionality that I just showed you, those are the required fields. If you have questions, you can email us at moredeals@likely.ai. Well, there you have it. Now go out there, guys, and crush it.